Hello, good evening. Welcome to my class. Can you see me? Yes. Can you hear me? Yes. My name is Teacher Erwin. What is your name? Oh, John. Wow, nice to meet you, John. Welcome to my class. Are you ready, John? Yes. Say, I am ready. Because you are ready, I will give you star. Ting, 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 ting. Yes, you have star. All right. Now, John, look. What can you see? Yay! All right. It's a bird. Bird. Yay! Good job. Now let's go to the next lesson. Wow! Okay, look. What can you see in the picture, John? Animals. Say it again. Animals. Animals. Right, that's good. Another star. Dun, 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 dun. Good job, John. Now, what animals do you know? Look, look. What animals do you know? Right. It's a dog. Say it again. Dog. How about this? What animals? Yes, penguin. Right. Penguin. Say it again. Penguin. Good job, John. Here is your star. Pam, 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 pam. Okay. Now look again the picture, John. Look. What is this? Uh-huh. That is, say it, giraffe. Giraffe. Say it again. Right, giraffe. How about this? Yay, it's an elephant. Elephant. All right, John, congratulations. Ooh, ooh, yeah. What is this, John? Right. It is a cat. Cat. A good job. I will give you another star. Pum, pa, 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 pum. Oh, John, where is the bird? The bird. Right. This is a bird. Say bird. Bird. Right. Good job. Bird. High five. Pum, pum, pum. Now, John, let's go to the next lesson. Pa, 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 pum. Here we go. Whoop. All right. Now, John, look. Let's sing. All right. Here we go. Hi. Hi there. Are you a bird? Hi there. Are you a bird? Yes, that's right. Oh, look. Yes, I am an owl. Owls are bird. Say it again. Yes, I am an owl. Owls are birds. Perfect. Good job. I will give you a big star. Dun, da, 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 dun. Here is the big star. Now, John, let's go to the next lesson. Here we go. All right. Look, what can you see in the picture? It's, say, owl. Right. High five. Bum, ba, 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 bum. Now, look, what is that? It's owls. Right. I will give you another big star, John. Pum, pa, 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 pum, big star. Wow, congratulations, John. Let's go. All right. Now, John, let's say owls are birds. Owls are birds. Say are birds. Owls are birds. Good job. High five. Right. Next. Oh, look. Let's drag the wings to complete the owls. Oh, owls have got wings. All right. Okay. Say owls have got wings. Okay, right. Okay, I will give you high five. Pum, para, pa, 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 pum. Let's go to the next lesson. Here we go. Now look and say, let's say, owls can fly. Owls can fly. Can owls fly? Yes, owls can fly. Good job. Here is your high five. Pum para pa pum. Good job, John. Now let's go to the next lesson, John. Are you ready? Yay, we're ready. Now, John, let's read. Say owls. Owls are birds. Say it again. Owls are birds. Perfect. Next, say owls have got wings. Say it again. Owls have got wings. Right. Good job. Pum pum. How about this? Owls can fly. Perfect. Pum pum pum. All right. Do you have questions, John? Mm-hmm. Can owls can fly? Yes, owls can fly. Do owls have wings? Yes, owls have got wings. Are owls bird? Yes, owls are bird. Yay! All right, perfect, John. Congratulations. Now let's count your star. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 star. And of course, the big star. All right, John, we are already done with our lesson today. See you next time and let's sing. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Goodbye, John. See you next time.